of the Blue. Today is March 12th. We're going to be looking over the last week in the market. Let's go ahead and go with Dow Jones. And as everybody knows, we had a little tragedy with Japan. As the tsunami hit, we had the markets open up Friday very far down and actually came flying back. So as we can see in the market, we are sitting right on the blue moving average. So the question is, will these power lines continue to fall, and will the trend line continue to fall, or will it bounce right back off of this? So far, it looks like the markets will continue to rise up, but we'll talk about that more so in a little bit. But just looking, and actually why I say that is because we actually see this little channel continue to up there, and we saw that the market did not close below the blue moving average. The other good news is that the upward price strength is over the high price strength, and we have a 100% volume with a blue buy day right there, so that's a good sign. Let's go ahead and look at SPY. And we have the same thing. However, the low of the day is below the blue moving average, so that's where the trend is. However, the day closed above the blue moving average. So what we're going to see is a new support line created right here. And you can see that as I click on and off the support, you'll see that little tiny green dot within that red trend line appear and disappear. So again, same with the S&P 500. We see that the upper price is over the high price strength, which is a good sign for a trend rebound. We see that we have a blue buy day. So next week we really want to see a few more blue buy days to really pull this trend back up. So we are going to be testing the blue moving average this next week. If the trend line stays above or below the blue moving average, we'll be therefore in a bearish market, which means the market's going down. However, it could be just as simple as a few weeks, or we could see something far more dire. So let's go to the NASDAQ, and that's QQQQ. And we are actually below the blue moving average for NASDAQ. However, we still have the blue high price, or upward price strength, above the blue high price, and a blue buy day again on Friday. So hopefully we will see the market bounce back up. And if we click on the bars, we didn't quite get to the blue moving average on Friday, but Friday was a buy day in the market. So the technology sector is hurting a little bit, but we shall see on Monday and Tuesday if these power lines start to turn around and we see a trend rebound take place. So for the overall market, let's go ahead and look at IYY. And the US total Dow market, again, the day closed above the blue moving average, and we can see that with the channel. However, the low was below the blue moving average, so we have another support line created. So the question is then, is it going to turn into a support line or stay as a resistance line next week? And that is an answer we shall find out. Still, the upward price is above the high price strength, which is a good indication, and we have that blue buy day down here in the volume. So it does tell me that it looks like it might we may have a trend rebound, but completely we will find out next week. Now let's go to the real trends on what everybody needs to be watching, and that's UUP. This is the dollar bullish, so when the dollar usually goes up, the markets go down. And the dollar fell on Friday, so we have the dollar heading back down. The high price is above the upward price strength, indicating that the dollar will continue going down, and that we need to watch the US dollar. If the dollar continues to go down, the markets should continue going up. So that's another indicator that the markets may continue to go up. Next video, we're going to look at treasuries, gold, and silver. So please watch that. Sorry, these are unedited. My other computer with all my editing software is in the shop today, so sorry about that. And if you have any questions, please email me at ryan@northoftheblue.com. Thank you.